Dear friends, Corona pandemic is a crisis time for us. This is a time in which we can reassess and reorganize the priorities of our lives. It is certainly carrying some very important lessons for us which can make us stronger and wiser. The most important lesson relates to our health. We are constantly listening to two terms, immunity and comorbidity, two very important factors that determine the outcome when corona infection strikes someone. Immunity is your resistance that prevents and fights infections. Pay more attention to this factor, gain more knowledge, and change your habits and lifestyles. Eat healthy, exercise regularly, avoid stress, laugh a lot, sleep for optimum hours. Some of the factors that are closely related to immunity. Learn more and act wisely from now onwards. Comorbidity factors are like your blood pressure and diabetes. These are not just two infections that you have become used to in your life. Healthy lifestyle will prevent these, and if you already have them, then keep them in control. The second lesson relates to people in your life. By now, you know who all were worried about you. Also, those people whose welfare and well being was constantly at the top of your mind during the last few months. These are the relationships. These are the people who really count in your life. Nurture and strengthen them because they are actually very important for you. So, now onwards, give very less importance to all those excuses that have kept you away from these people. They give fullness to your life and give meaning to it. Enjoy the journey of your life with them by regularly being in touch. The third lesson is about clearly seeing that the world you are carrying inside your head and the actual world which you are living in are two different worlds. You have your plans and dreams in your imagined world, but actual world always has the freedom to bring any unforeseen, unexpected event in your life like corona pandemic. So, when the unexpected happens, then you can either become stressed and fearful, or you show the courage and wisdom to change gears and face the crisis with the best of your abilities and starting to plan accordingly. You are becoming wiser when you stop wasting time and energy in pondering and grieving over what should have been and what could have been. The fourth lesson teaches you that your outside world can suddenly change without notice, both in appearance and quality, over a very short period of time. We saw empty roads, closed shops and offices. We saw signs of restlessness, fear, anxiety in the eyes of our friends, relatives, neighbors, and strangers. The changing times are also showing us that we need fewer things and facilities for a reasonably secure and comfortable survival in crisis times. We are now learning that going to malls, movie halls, eating outside are the things we can do without. We are now learning that the household work can be shared and efficiently done by family members. We are seeing that survival is possible with less monthly budget and life can go on in school and offices when no transport is available. All these things should give a different kind of self-confidence to each one of us in our ability to meet crisis time efficiently and to take good care of our well-being and welfare. The fifth lesson underlines the fact that we coexist with our fellow beings, that our safety or survival of all is interconnected with other life forms. This is clearly seen in corona pandemic when we notice how infection traveled from one country to another, from one city to another, from one locality or house to another. It traveled from rich to poor and vice versa. We are connected in terms of human values and human qualities also. Most of us did help our maids, security guards, employees, etc. And such gestures of kindness helped both sides in feeling more humane and reaffirming the faith in essentially good nature of all human beings. We sink or swim together is one big lesson of corona pandemic we should never forget in future. The sixth lesson says that fears and anxieties in crisis times are more in our heads and much less in actual life. You can notice for yourself that we feel less fear when we go out to market or office, but we are much more worried imagining our children or parents doing the same. Let us not forget the fact that what is true for us is also true for our children and parents. The actual realization of this lesson will go a long way in meeting the challenge posed by the corona pandemic wisely and effectively. The seventh and most important lesson is about this very precious gift we call today. Our past life has been a sum total of today's, and future life will also present itself only as today's. This is also true that one today is going to be the last in everyone's life, as has been shown by this pandemic in many instances. We are seeing that the death is our constant companion. This is true fact, but it should actually underline not fear, but a sense of deep wisdom to celebrate every today with every breath and every heartbeat. Your every action should be aimed, at least in your heart, as the actions of celebrations of today's. The most precious gift the life is graciously offering you. Let this last lesson be your constant companion, all thanks to corona pandemic. Dear friends, share the video and subscribe to the channel please. Thank you very much for listening to the video to the very end.